have so many of youngsters here. You know what? That there are more than 750 million youngsters in the country below age of 25 years. We are the largest crowd of youngsters, and you won't believe that it is more than the population putting together US and Canada. You know. So it's not a time to experience, but it's time to shape the country. You know, multiple things that what I have personally experienced in my career. So before moving forward, let me tell you that we are a US-based VC, venture capital, and investment bank. Currently, we are operating in country since last 5 years, and we have invested in more than 100 companies in the country. Biggest name are Grow, where we had invested in 2023. Multiple names are there, like there are Grow, Zero Degree. Zero Degree you might have seen, multiple stores are there. QBs we had invested recently, AI matchmaking applications. So total 100 plus. When I was an employee, so although I got rejections from multiple schools, colleges, there were total 9 IIMs who had rejected me, written in Wikipedia. And I am not from the college like you, IITs and big colleges. मैं सरकारी स्कूल से पढ़ा हूँ, ठीक है. And I have done my graduation from Delhi University, Keshav Mahavidyalaya, ठीक है. But I reached out to Stanford and I have done my MBA from there. You know. So क्लास 10th में अगर आपके मार्क 30 नंबर आते हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप IIT नहीं जा सकते. You know, because it doesn't matter, you know, I mean, where you come from, if you know where we go. You know. Let me come to the point that what actually recruiters are looking for, you know, and I'll tell you the perspective of an employer both. Okay. आज के ज़माने में recruiters को certificates कम चाहिए और skills ज़्यादा चाहिए. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But unfortunately in our country, आपके skills को certify करने के लिए आपके पास document होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You know. So this is the perspective of India. Okay. If you move to other countries, especially where my first job was in Singapore capital and all the thoughts are, you know, skills are being prioritized first, and then certificates. What actually you have experience. But I mean, you are in India, so never forget about the certificates. You know. But हाँ, आप कितना भी स्किल हो जाए, ठीक है, इंडिया में आपको सर्टिफिकेट मांग के देती है, ठीक है, इसका बिल्कुल ख्याल रखें. Second is, you know, that वो कहते हैं कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, you know. तो skills और सारी चीजें बाद में आती है. It is something that how you present yourself. Yeah. This is really important. The first is presenting yourself and carrying yourself. This is the first thing that we should take care of it. But again, there is one more list there कि आपको present करने के लिए अपने आप आपके पास content होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You know, English बोलना is not a big thing, but English में content को बोलना is a big thing. You know, this is something that what we should have. So, you know, better content is really important for us, especially once you're going for an interview or maybe you're doing something in your life. Second thing is that अभी आजकल ना, so basically हम लोग क्या करते थे कि हम एक चीज़ों में एक्सपीरियंस होते थे. चलो जावा कर रहे हैं तो चलो जावा में एक्सपीरियंस हो जाए. You know, or maybe basically expertise is not something right now which is being prioritized by the, ठीक है. अगर आप इंजीनियर हो तो आपको सेल्स का काम भी करना पड़ेगा इसको, ठीक है. और अगर आप एक सेल्समैन हो, ठीक है, तो आपको फोटो कॉपी करवा के लानी पड़ेगी, है ना, और आपको मेरे साथ कैंटीन में देखना पड़ेगा. You know. So again, you know, I mean, you need to be the masters of everything. You know. And I don't think that much of the time. Most important part which comes at the last, that is, you know, हम सब कुछ एक चीज़ों के लिए कर रहे हैं, उसमें हमें पैसा, right? You know, anything that we are doing, ultimately we are looking to have more money, more success, to be richer, everything that we're actually looking for. But you know, the most important thing, you know, to be successful is not something that having a Lamborghini or something or having a big house. आजकल की दुनिया में जो सबसे बड़ा सक्सेस है, पीस इज द बिगेस्ट सक्सेस। बट उस पीस तक पहुंचने के लिए आप उस प्रोसेस से गुजरना पड़ेगा। सो या आई मीन जब मैं इवन फॉर मी बाय द वे इन स्टार्टिंग मुझे लगता था कि पैसा बहुत बड़ी चीज है, सब कुछ होता है पैसे से। सी पैसा से सब कुछ बिल्कुल होता है, ठीक है, लेकिन आपको ये चीजें समझने के लिए आपके पास पैसा होना बहुत जरूरी नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा पैसा होना बहुत जरूरी है, ठीक है। पैसा सबके पास है, who is having a good life, but once you have greater money, then you can run the control and पता है आपको लोग जनरली कह रहे हैं कि हमसे जलते पता है किस चीज के लिए, इस चीज के लिए नहीं कि आपके पास बहुत पैसा है या फिर आपके पास you have everything, the biggest success is having control with you, basically the freedom is the biggest success I believe, because the best thing that like you can move on anytime, you can just go anywhere, you are not bound for anything. That is the biggest richness I believe, and that the biggest success, so basically people must be jealous with you once you have control of everything. If you have control, that means you have success, and of course power is always over the money, remember that. But again, to have power you should have, so that's the vice versa. Just completing everything, what I would like to tell you guys, that focus something which is consistent, okay, because consistency is the key. ये बहुत कॉमन वर्ड है, बट आई थिंक दैट हमें इसको अपनी लाइफ में लाना चाहिए। सुना है आपने कि करत करत अभ्यास की जरूरत हो, सुधा रसिया बच जाती है सब पेपर में, समथिंग लाइक दैट। मींस ऑफ कोर्स कंसिस्टेंसी इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट। जब आप कंसिस्टेंटली किसी चीज को करोगे तो एटलीस्ट आपके पास भी तो कम से कम होता ही है कि कुछ चीजें तो आपको मिल सकती है। और एक और भी चीजें लोग कहते हैं कि ड्रीम बिगर, of course you should dream bigger what people think that you cannot afford, because the biggest exciting thing in my life has been something that people say you cannot do, but we did it. Okay, right now Fox is doing better. We recently donated 25 CR to IIT Kanpur. Maybe you can just see at the website of IIT. I'm a person जिसके पास 2500 रुपए नहीं थे. We have donated 25 CR to IIT Kanpur SSD to do all this defense work and everything, because recently जो अपने भारत पाकिस्तान का जो मैच हुआ था, तो उसमें DRDO and IIT Kanpur had manufactured that drone, and that was used there. So of course we are doing something better with IIT Kanpur as well as Roorkee. So yeah. Something that everyone is here for achievement. सबको अपनी अपनी लाइफ की गोल चाहिए, सबकी लाइफ की गोल अलग अलग है, बट सभी गोल एक साथ ही खत्म होते हैं, जिसका नाम है पैसा, पॉपुलैरिटी, पेशेंस एंड पावर। तो हम सब एक ही गोल के लिए जिंदा रह रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो हमें लगता है कि लास्ट में सबको बढ़ना ही है, राइट। सो जस्ट डू नॉट क्रिएट वेल्थ, डू क्रिएट वेल्थ, बट एक्सपीरियंस इज एज वेल, because मुझे मेरी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन से तो कोई उम्मीद है वैसे बात करें, because I think कि यहाँ पे जो लड़कियाँ बैठ रही है शायद वो लास्ट जनरेशन है जो सेकंड पर लो हो रही है, right? So this is something that what I believe, create wealth, but you experience it, so that's all. Thank you so much everyone.